On October 21st, a U.S. district judge heard arguments about whether Louisiana public schools should be required to post the Ten Commandments in every classroom. This law, passed by the legislature, has sparked major controversy. Over in Oklahoma, there are multiple ongoing legal disputes. Several organizations are suing the State Board of Education over its mandate to incorporate the Bible into lessons for grades 5 through 12. The board has allocated $3 million to purchase $55,000 King James Version Bibles and supporting publications for classroom instruction. Additionally, Oklahoma lawyers have appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court to open St. Isidore of Seville Catholic Virtual School, which would be the first publicly funded religious charter school in the nation. In Ohio, a few private religious schools have received nearly $4 million in public funds for renovations and improvements, including a playground. This is a first for the state, according to the Office of Budget and Management. These cases are testing the boundaries of the separation of church and state, guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution. But interpretations vary widely among legal experts and judges. In Louisiana, Judge John W. DeGravels is hearing a lawsuit from 9 families and organizations like the ACLU and Americans United for separation of church and state. They aim to block the new law requiring the Ten Commandments in schools, arguing it violates the Constitution. However, Attorney General Liz Murrill defends the law, citing its historical significance. Meanwhile, in Oklahoma, 4 organizations have filed a lawsuit to block the state from spending $3 million on Bibles and to halt the Bible in Schools mandate. They argue it violates Article 11, Section 5 of the Oklahoma Constitution, which prohibits public funds from supporting religious teachings. The American Civil Liberties Union of Oklahoma and other groups are leading the lawsuit on behalf of over 30 residents, including parents, students, teachers, and pastors. Oklahoma's mandate suggests focusing on the Bible's historical and cultural influences. Similarly, Texas is considering incorporating Bible stories into the K-5 curriculum for their literary and historical value. These debates over the separation of church and state will likely reach the U.S. Supreme Court, especially as the Archdiocese of Oklahoma City pushes for public funding for religious charter schools. For more Christian news, subscribe to our newsletter.